If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Can you explain why crypto is such an attractive financial tool for terrorists, drug traffickers, and rogue nations?
Get ready. Another dip is on its way.
To crypto, Bitcoin, etc. You pointed out the only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance. And that is a use case because it is somewhat anonymous, not fully, and because you can move money instantaneously, and because it doesn't go through, as you mentioned, all these systems have built up over many years, know your customers, sanctions. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Can you?
Yep, that's the voice of Jamie Dimon. And yes, last night we went live. Wall Street Pete, hit the like and subscribe. We're talking about going on a ride, hopefully going to the moon, and hopefully going soon. How is everyone doing today? We talked about 50K or retracement. And if you watched that long video last night, I do apologize. We went over, had a lot of people on the live last night. It was very successful. We went over a lot of crypto assets, so that's why it was so long. But talking about it, we pretty much confirmed that if we had a gun to our head, right, we said, expect this retracement first. And sure enough, Jamie Dimon, he's at it again. JP Morgan CEO reflects and somehow makes it happen. So if you watched the video there, 50K Bitcoin or retracement, we answered that for you. The Grinch of Crypto. Hit that like and subscribe. We need 5 more people to get to 1.6K. That would really make my Christmas. I was hoping for 2K because I always aim higher. And then when you're disappointed, you already know how that works. But my budget this Christmas has never changed.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Yep, my Christmas budget is going to be pretty tight, about that tight. Wall Street beats sick though in crypto. You come over here, we talk about cryptocurrency. A lot of people want to know, when is the bull run? Well,
It is time.
it is time. So just get an understanding of what's happening. Imagine being CEO of one of the largest banks in the world and still being ignorant enough to think that, well, one could just close down crypto. Aaron and Arnold, thanks to this, said, beyond that, in my opinion, the U.S. needs to be the leaders in this technology, just like U.S. was leaders in computer technology and internet technology of the 90s. Got a great point. I appreciate this very much. What blows my mind, though, what bothers me is JP Morgan, is Jamie Dimon doing this on purpose? I think I wonder he might be doing it so he can get his friends in BlackRock in at a cheaper price. It's going too high too fast, right? Some people were wondering. We talked about this possibility fall last night, and is it really coming to fruition? Well, it's starting to look really right? Wall Street Pete, how do you use right in the same sound as back-to-back? That's interesting. 2 daily candles coming down. I said I would expect the third one. That would remain to tell me or confirm to tell me that, well, we are actually getting this correction coming down with no indicators up here at this current time. Shiba Inu we could talk about. Got a few little things here to talk about this morning. Crypto news. And yeah, Jamie Dimon, he is the Grinch of Christmas. And how about Trump? He sold out those NFT trading cards, 20 of 22, pretty much last year at this time. So it's kind of exciting to see, hey, what's happened in a year? Well, he's just making out like a bandit. What a surprise. Big surprise. Shiba Inu has a new burning where 8 billion was burned. FTX to submit revised reorganization plan in mid-December. So they're going to see if they can get back up and running. We'll find out and keep you up to date if that does become a thing. Total crypto market cap, 1.58 trillion. We're down 0.02 from the last video of last night. And yeah, some people sell out. No big deal. We're taking some profits. Not the end of the world. Shiba Inu, though, we are looking at that 1,200 price. I remember very much. It was a resistance level, 0.00001. So we'll be looking for that price for major resistance until we can break above these areas. Shiba Inu will mean nothing to me. So don't know if you've ever been following this crypto asset, but I do have a big chunk here that I'll be keeping an eye on. Just a shit coin, nothing crazy. But let's get into what's going on with the real crypto coins, right? The ones we need to pay attention to the most, the ones that run everything, and the leader, and that is Bitcoin and my favorite oscillator. So right now, currently, we are showing a little bit of some overbought zone, no problem. Could we get the retouch here, get a little bit of a fall, same spot, or are we going to grow a little bit and just get 2 legs to the down and then retest all the way up to 47? Now, this is still a big possibility. So we have 2 options here. What could happen? Well, I expect Bitcoin to either come through on the next leg on the 3rd day up. I'm telling you right now. If we do get the 2nd day, which is now in about 10 hours, so in about exactly 10 hours, 7 o'clock-ish Eastern time, there will be a new candle coming for the daily. I'll be finding out, are we going to the next leg up, and will this oscillator show me that we're going to come back up to finally get oversold, and then we'll get our correction, or are we getting it now? We'll find out 3 days in a row. Will basically tell us. So not guaranteed nothing. Nothing's ever guaranteed, but I'll tell you right now, we got a really good 80% chance to follow that pattern of what I'm saying. So if you could have an 80% chance in crypto, wouldn't you be excited? So hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Comment if you'd like to. You're in a live chat. We are only 5 subscribers away from all-time highs of 1.6. I appreciate you very much. Bitcoin's got 2 big possibilities, 38.2 pullback on the fib that I have here. And I do believe that this is a big potential move. I don't know why it works this way. It does. So we keep following the patterns over the years. This is what we find, as we told you during the video a month ago, that this bullish pennant would bring us to about 37.42. And the FOMO took us a little more, as you can see, all the way to 44, almost 45,000. So exciting to find out what crypto has done for us. You can see really quickly how these altcoins really will start to pump. Now, I'm looking at Solana. I'm looking at a few things. We're talking about this symmetrical triangle pattern of a breakout. Any moment, this could be breaking out. We'll be talking about Solana at about $73. This is definitely looking to come to fruition. Mutable X, exciting here, getting this double. I was looking for a double bottom here, but we're looking to see if we can just pump the next leg up as well. Still a bullish pattern. As you can see here, a great buying signal on the daily here for this Immutable X. Big fan of this particular asset. We actually did a video over it this year. I think we did only like 2 weeks ago, but those look strong. Cardano still looking strong. What I say, Wall Street Pete said he expected to see some resistance at the 45 cents. I mean, you got to watch the videos. I mean, we're talking about we're trading 32 cents. I said when we break 32, that'll be my confirmation that 38, 39 is coming, and then we will ultimately be done at 45. Could take some profits if you'd like to. I'm a big holder of Cardano. I'm never going to do that. I just buy rainy days. I do have a portfolio. I do have a specific account where I would trade in and out of Cardano on leverage MEX. If you're interested, experienced traders only, please be careful because you will get your ass kicked. You will get your ass handed to you, I'll tell you right now, if you trade on leverage for the first time. But you can see this long wick here for Cardano coming in. So we're just giving an update, just going through basically even the S&P. Look at that, getting some old resistance forming a double top. Will we get this fall coming into January, February? I believe we will. So don't be surprised, even though there is a good buying signal. I actually got a nice buying signal here for the S&P. So we'll see what happens here. Give it some more time. If we do start coming through and build support there, that could happen. But I'm actually expecting, if that does to happen, we wouldn't go much further than there. So I'm really expecting the S&P to do this. I'm putting highlight in red. This is what I think is going to happen. That's what could happen the other way up. But because there's an overbuying power here, I don't know where that came from, but it's pretty strong. Short-term S&P, same thing. So yeah, we'll probably get a pump up. Like I said, it's only a few more weeks until the New Year's. It is December 7th. So I really don't expect too much from the traditional markets. A lot of people are going to be Christmas shopping. You know, it's already up enough. Pretty exciting, though, to see that happen. Ethereum now, I want to get to an Ethereum chart that looks a little better than this. So I can start over. And you can see here, this Ethereum chart, 4 hourly, looking really strong on the buying opportunity here coming in. Tomorrow's Friday. Daily, yeah, a little oversold here, getting there. So we could get this weekend to come down. But I'm looking at the short term. I'm sorry I keep doing that. I don't mean to. I'm looking at the short term time frame. There we go. We're trying to open this up, see where we're at. And you can see how this trend has been pretty strong for a little bit now. Now, this is an ascending channel on Ethereum if you want to really pay close attention to that. But I do like what I see. I'm just breaking it down real quickly for you this morning because we don't talk much or enough about Ethereum. Could get this, and this is where the short-term time coming up is showing. Why I'm not getting accurate grabs here. I'm going to have to check my internet. It's really pissing me off. Wow, That's bad. So somewhere around the 23.79, 23.80, we have the break. You can see the resistance support flipping here. Switch. It's very bullish. So we are looking for that, but that could be a top. We will get a slight little correction coming in. As you can see here, this has happened over and over. I wish I could get my internet to work better. I mean, I pay enough money for it. It's actually pissing me off. I want to see if this matches the last fall. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. So we're getting really, really close to the same falls ranges here, but we're in the upward trend, right? You can pay attention to that. You can think differently by not really paying attention to it, is what I meant to say. So we're going to hopefully get this repeat as a buying opportunity, creating new higher lows each time. This could happen, so don't be shocked. I don't think we're going to get that dramatic of a fall, but if we do that, we are still creating new higher lows, which is kind of exciting for me because then I know we're still in that pattern. We're not in bad shape. As you can see what's happening, right? Each time that we get to this area where it seems to be rough and we're falling, we are finding ourselves somewhere, and I want to say, not over the rainbow, but somewhere, we keep finding ourselves in a higher price. So pay attention to that, right? I'm trying to show you, look how low these prices were. It's actually disgusting. They're still higher. They're still higher each time. As you can see it here. I don't know what's going on with my internet, man. I can see the difference. It's struggling. Something's struggling. But every time we get to this lower price and we dip, when I dip, you dip, we dip, it is becoming a higher price at that lower range than it was previously. So very bullish. This is Ethereum. It's pretty exciting to see this. So we could even get a downturn coming in, as you can see on the next couple days, even coming into the weekend. We could get this first weekend of the fall. So this is Bitcoin and Ethereum showing you what I believe can happen. Definitely see and feel this all the way. We have Bitcoin here, like I said. So the down, I'm going to have to change this to, I'll probably have to change this to the title of saying, hey, looks like we're getting the correction. Jamie Dimon is crashing Bitcoin. And that seems to be the case. So we'll see what happens. We're going to flirt with the up and down momentums here. FOMO's real. Total crypto market cap, like we said, is 1.5 trillion. So it's nothing really to sneeze at. It's still nice. If you pay attention, we're only 0.02 away, and the price is already reflecting in a correction. So imagine, as long as we don't get the FOMO out and start getting to 1.55, then before you notice we're at 1.50. If we don't start doing that, then we should be okay, and I don't really see anything but just a two-leg down, perhaps a dramatic drop off to here. Real quick liquidity grab to the 41.9, and then a jump back up to the races of 47. So my name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. We come to you with a live almost every single day. Used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange, a place up there. I always have problems, but that arrow right there it is, where the Bitcoin's blanket is. I used to work on that trading floor right there. Met a lot of really good stand-up guys, really good people. It's amazing to hear some of the stories. I would love to see some of them again and talk to them and see what they're doing today, as opposed to used to be trading in the open outcry pit, screaming and yelling at each other. It's wild. So it was a wild place to work. I really wish we had more videos. I wish we had more technology during that time to show you. But I hope you all have a wonderful day. We save money and liquidity for rainy days, right? When the market is red. New York Mercantile Exchange, 1 North End Avenue is a great place to work. I love this place so much. It's a shame it's the Van Gogh Museum now, but it's crazy, right? Postage proof master forever, guaranteed. And it's like, I don't really know how long that's going to last, but I know it'll last in my hands as long as I'm here. Appreciate these times very much. I miss those times very much. We learned all about trading, and I don't think you could appreciate hitting the buttons on your phone the way I do or anyone else does. We used to have to scream and send transfer over in a ring. A broker would have to yell at another broker. They would trade. One would buy, one would sell. They would confirm how many they sold or bought. When did they buy or sell? Was it futures? Then, how many barrels, at what price, and like I said, how many shares. And then they would find out how much money it cost to execute the trade. They would allocate the trade, send the money over to each person, customers that would basically execute that and ask for that. They would get their order filled. And now it's like we're just pressing a button on our phone and executing the trade immediately. It just blows my effing mind. You have no clue what it's like. It's like what Elon Musk has done to the cars, right? We're driving our cars. We're driving, got to pay attention, right? And now all of a sudden we're trying to eat breakfast, have dinner, read a magazine, catch up on our whatever the hell it is, business meeting calls, and the car Tesla is driving for us, right? We're talking about things like that. It would be like that in trading. All of a sudden now you got these bots trading for you, right? It's just, I'm just trying to give you an understanding of what I'm seeing in the trading. A lot of corrupt shit would happen, right? They had eyes in the sky. They had cameras where we worked. It didn't stop them from doing shady shit, but the problem is hey, you'd be like, let me buy Bitcoin at 40,000, right? Or, and what happens is you'd get the order filled at 39,500, right? And you would give it to them, and they would be like so excited. You got your order filled before, right? They had a stop or a buy order limit or something. And you would get it to them sooner, a better price, but little did they know the guy across the way sold them 10 times the amount that they wanted, and we took some. You know, we got the good order, and then all of a sudden, it went up to 42,000, and we were selling at 42. We just made a quick profit with them. It is sick. It was a sick place. It was a wonderful place, but the money that was passed around was disgusting, and you really could see how electronically now it's working. Like, I'm talking about the scum moves. I'm talking about all this shit. I know how it's working. It's the same thing. These people are friends. They're in Discord. They have millions and millions of dollars. And what they do, sit here all day in a computer chair and go, all right, let's buy this up now. It's altcoin season, bitches. These are the conversations they have. I'm just letting you know. Let's go. What are we going to pump today? Let's pump up Solana. All right, you guys want to put what, 2 million? You're going to put 2 million. You're going to put 2 million. You're going to put 2 million. Before you know it, there's 100 million all of a sudden in the fucking account. We're talking about Solana. So Solana gets bought up. What happens? Each one of them, look, we're up all $10 million. Cha-ching. Great season, huh? Yeah, I'm going to go Christmas shopping. What do you think about you? I'm just going to sit here and laugh at all the people who are going to lose all this money. And then Solana goes from 73 all the way back down to 58. And I'm like, how the fuck did that happen? The only thing is that the people are taking those profits. It's like inside trading feeling like it's fucked up. But they're using their money, and it takes money to make money. That's pretty much what it is. Don't be surprised. Don't act like it's not happening. You know what I mean? It's happening. And I used to watch it happen before it's happening now when you can't really see it at all. Because now it's all behind your cell phones and everyone's on Discord doing this crazy shit. So my name is Wall Street Pete, keeping it real as steel. Sometimes you have little conspiracies here and there, and I apologize if you don't really get down with them. But I'm telling you that this shit's happening. I'm letting you know it's happening. And you just really need to start paying attention to your surroundings. Crypto is an evil, 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 cutthroat world. Can you make money? Can you be successful? Absolutely. But I'm going to tell you right now, the percentage is small. Humans have emotions, and sometimes you just don't know how. I'll just stop right there. You know what I'm talking about. Everyone have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete, Sigdo, and Crypto. It is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday payday. What are you going to do with your money? You probably got bills. You probably can't wait to just relax for the weekend, or you probably got overtime this weekend. Either way, I'll tell you right now, 2023 is still the best time to accumulate Bitcoin, even though we're getting this last second correction. I'll talk to you guys soon. I hope to see you in a late night crypto video this evening. If not, we'll be coming to you very shortly regardless. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. It's very important to get this algorithm through the roof. Everyone who is commenting, I thank you so damn much. I don't know how else to thank you. You guys are doing your part. I really appreciate it. I'd love one day, though, just one day, to wake up and see 100 likes on a video. I don't know what the fuck I would do, but I would really appreciate that. You guys have a great day. Take care.